Welcome to THK booth. I am THKR7 for your navigator.
Today is a good day. I am very passionate about technology. What we need to do is eliminate factory workers in Illinois. I want more technology now.
How you doing? Hey, good to see you. Good to see you too. Yeah, it's a great show, isn't it? How you doing? I'm good. Nice to see you. How you doing? Good. How are you? I'm great. Nice to see you. Enjoy the show. All right, you too.
We have to control our teachers in Illinois. We're going to bring them down over time. I worked also with the mayor of Chicago with them. General Electric made it clear to me, we need to put pressure on the people of Illinois. Lower wages, education out.
It actually has it's actually designed for cabins. So the idea.
Our university system, our healthcare system, our correction system, gone. Hold the people of Illinois hostage. Yeah. The reality is they have no respect for human life, and there are evil people. What we need to do is eliminate the people of Illinois. This is appropriate and fair. Every day that goes by, every year that goes by, I want more technology. Is the most important thing we do. I believe, as the good book says, machines. Let's not get distracted with Band-Aids. Let's not get distracted with other topics. Let's not get distracted by anything other than machines.